friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Dr. Kahl's robot. So to start with, since this is kind of a long thing, I'm going to lay the head here, the body here, and then that gives me room for the legs and the arms. So I'm just doing a really light layout, just so I know where I should have things. Okay, so now that I know where I should have things, I'm going to start with a line coming down and then a line going across, but it's like a circle-y kind of curved line, and then it's going to come up. We're going to have two little lines right here, two little lines right here, and then we're going to have a screw there. Okay? Then we're going to come up again, match it up kind of a little higher than right here. We're going to come across. Then we're going to have a line coming out for his light thing. And then it's going to come back. And then we're going to have a line coming around and around like so. Then we're going to have two curved lines for the eyebrows. We're going to have a curved line coming back behind the eyebrows like so. I guess this eyebrow kind of comes down and up. Yep. All right. Then we're going to have two ovals with some black areas like that. Then we're going to have a rectangle nose with a triangle side on it. And then we're going to have a curved line that comes up and then comes around like that. Like so. And then I'm going to have the rest of the head here. We're going to have a little triangle starting here with a circle on it. And then we're going to do an oval around that. And then do the back of it. And then another little rectangle. And there's his light piece. Oh, I guess he's got these little parts like that. Okay. And I think his headband thing here has some circles. All right, so now we're going to do the neck. So some lines coming down, then we're going to do a curved line underneath, and then we're going to do a line coming around like that. Kind of looks like he has suspenders on a little. And then we're going to do another curved line coming around, back. There's a shoulder, and he's got a circle here with another circle inside and a light thing underneath. And we've got a curved line here, and then we're going to come down here, come across, back, and up just a little. And then he's got a rectangle here. He's got a heart here. And then there's a line coming this way and that way through the heart. And then we've got the waist with another curved line. And then we've got the hip. A curved line, so this curves around, then this curves up, and then that curves back. All right, then we have a leg that comes out, I've got some downward curves in that, and then we're going to do the arm. So the arm is going to be a circle with another circle with another little kind of curvy line on the bottom, like that. And then we've got another line here. All right, then this is gonna come around and come around. Curved line, curved line. Then we've got his hand over here. So we're gonna start with a curved line and another curved line underneath. I'm gonna bring that up, bring it up, out, and around and down, and then it comes like that. And then we've got some stripes there. And then there's a curved line with a finger coming out, and the finger's thicker at the end. So this is thicker than this. And then we've got two fingers that are bent over. So they're gonna be just like ovals. Some stripes. Now we're gonna match up the shoulder to the hand, the bottom of it to the hand, curved lines in that, and then we finish coming back up with that part. All right, then we have the one leg over here that's kind of coming like so. And then we've got curved lines here and here. And then we got the shoe. Okay, so the shoe is gonna be just this big arch with a curved line at the bottom. And then we're gonna have another arch here that comes around. And then there's the bottom of the shoe. And then we have a line coming around, coming around, coming around. There's the one shoe. Okay, the other shoe, you can see the bottom of it. So we're gonna start with a curved line like that. And we're gonna draw the bottom of the shoe. Kind of looks like a peanut. Make that go down. All right, then we have the sole, or the bottom part of that. Some straight lines coming across. And we have the heel coming back. Then we have a curved line coming around. Yep. Just like that. Actually, you know what? I think this should have been more like this. And then this comes down. So I'll get rid of this stuff. Oops. Shh, don't tell anybody. And then I'm going to put him on the ground. There we go. And voila. Kahl's robot. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.